everyone, welcome back to our channel Nursery to Varsity. In the previous tutorial, we have discussed different types of instructions in C. We have talked about control instruction and its types in C, and now in this tutorial we will learn about types of control instruction, that is sequential instructions and decision control instructions in detail. Till now, the programs we have learned are executed sequentially, that is in the same order in which they appear in the program. Sequential instructions are those instructions which are executed in a sequence in which they appear. For example, in the given program, we have written the 7 weekdays in a sequence, and if we build and execute it, it will appear the same way it is ordered by. See, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. Now, if we change the order by exchanging these first two lines, cut it from here and paste it here, and then again build and execute it, then it will be executed according to that order, first Tuesday and then Monday. So this is the default way in which the program is executed, and this is called a sequential control instruction program. Now let's move to the second type, decision control instructions. Decision, as the name defines, it is the process of deciding something. In our daily life too, a day cannot be completed without taking any decision. For example, if the weather is rainy, I will not go to office with my bike. If the orange is sweet, then I will eat it. And many more decisions like what to wear, where to go. Our life is surrounded by full of decisions. And in the programming language, it will follow too. So, decision control instructions are used to decide the order of execution of statements based on certain conditions. There are different ways to implement decision control instructions in C. The if statement, the if-else statement, conditional operators, and the switch statement. In this video, we'll learn about the if statement. If is a keyword which is used to implement the decision control instructions. The syntax of the if statement is if bracket condition and then curly braces execute the statement. Here the curly braces are optional if we are using a single statement in our if instruction. In this syntax, the keyword if tells the compiler to execute the statement according to the condition. If the condition is true, then only statement will be executed. So let us understand this with an example. Here, in this example, I have asked a question, are you enjoying this series of C programming? Y or N? It implies yes or no. And wants the answer from you, so I am taking input from the user. Now I have used a if keyword here. The statement next to if statement will be executed only if the condition inside the if bracket is true. Otherwise it will not execute. So let's build and execute and see the results. Let's say you are enjoying, so I am writing here Y. Good luck, you are great going. And see, the line is printed. Now let's again execute this with another answer. Say no, and nothing will be printed. And this shows that if the condition will be fulfilled, then only it will be executed. Now maybe you are thinking that can we use only one statement in if? What if we need to restrict multiple statements in a program? Then we use the curly braces in the if statement if we need multiple statement in our if statement. Let's say we print in another line too. Your future is bright. So both the lines will execute only when the condition of if this is true. Let's see. So let's build it again. Let me say Y. Right, Y. Good luck, you are great going. Your future is bright. Both the lines are executed, and if I write and say no, then nothing will be printed. And this is all about if statement. In the next tutorial, we'll learn about if and else. There is always something, if you don't do that, then you will do that. So for that, we'll understand it in the next tutorial. If else, the if else statement, it is also a method to implement decision control instructions in a program. Hope you have enjoyed this tutorial. If you have found any queries, you can either comment in the comment box or can mail us at nerdtoware@gmail.com. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.